Hello friends, I am Sudhir and you are enjoying the YouTube channel English Carnival, a journey of learning with joy. Friends, today we are going to explore some important multiple choice questions based on Defoe's popular novel called Robinson Crusoe. But friends, before we proceed, as usual, I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos on this particular channel called English Carnival in coming days. Friends, Daniel Defoe was an English writer, journalist and spy. Friends, he gained enduring fame for his renowned and exceptional contribution to literature, and that is Robinson Crusoe. Friends, Daniel Defoe is no doubt notable for being one of the earliest practitioners of novel, and his this endeavor helped a lot to popularize this genre in England. Friends, as far as the date and place of his birth are concerned, there is uncertainty about it, but still it is said that he was born in 1660 in London, that is the United Kingdom. Friends, here Daniel Defoe contributed quite excellent novels like of Cavalier, which was published in 1720. We have Moll Flanders, published in 1722. Then we have Captain Singleton, published in 1722. Then we have the Journal of the Plague Year, published in 1722. We have Colonel Jack, published in 1722 again. We have Roxana, the Fortunate Mistress, published in 1724. Friends, he wrote these works or novels in only 5 years, and that is from 1719 to 1724. Friends, beside these works, he wrote some non-fiction works like an essay upon projects. Then we have the Family Instructor, we have the Political History of the Devil, we have the Complete English Tradesman, and many more such titles are there. Friends, there are some pamphlets or essays to his credit, and we can mention a few names like The Poor Man's Plea, published in 1698. We have The Shortest Way with the Dissenters, published in 1702. We have The Great Law of Subordination, considered, published in 1704. We have Second Thoughts Are Best, published in 1729, and An Essay Upon Literature, published in 1726, and there are such other titles as well. Friends, but here, as far as our today's piece of literature, that is Robinson Crusoe, or as far as this novel called Robinson Crusoe is concerned, it was published on 25th April 1719, and this novel tells a story of a young and impulsive Englishman who defies his parents' wish rather, and takes to the siege-seeking adventure. Friends, the young Robinson Crusoe is shipwrecked and castaway on a remote tropical island for 28 years. The story may be based on the true life events of Alexander Selkirk. He was a Scottish castaway who survived 4 years on a Pacific island. Friends, this novel is the classical feast for literary lovers, no doubt, and it has a tale of adventure, features cannibals, captives and mutineers, and depicted all these things very nicely by Daniel Defoe. So friends, without delay, let us move and explore more than 40 multiple choice questions and their answers based on Daniel Defoe's well-known piece of literature, that is Robinson Crusoe. So friends, let us move towards the first question. We have the first question. Daniel Defoe was born in dash. Options are Canada, UK, America, India. The correct answer is B, and he was born in London, United Kingdom. Question number 2, we have Daniel Defoe was born in dash. Options are 1658, 1659, 1660 and 1661. The correct answer is C, and he was born in 1660. Question number 3, we have dash was the original surname of Daniel Defoe. Options are Friend, Ford, Foe and Knight. The correct answer is C, and his original surname was Foe. Question number 4, we have Daniel Defoe was arrested in 1703 for dash. Options are A, not paying debts, B, translating Bible, C, writing the pamphlet The Shortest Way of Dissenters, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is writing the pamphlet, that is the shortest way of dissenters. The next question we have, question number 5. When Robinson Crusoe eats eggs on the island, from what animal do they come? Options are A, penguin, B, seagull, C, turtle, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is turtle. Question number 6 we have, Robinson Crusoe was the dash in his family. Options are oldest son, middle son, youngest son, and only son. Correct answer is C, and he was the youngest son in his family. Question number 7 we have, the name of the servant of Robinson Crusoe has been named as Friday by Crusoe because of dash. Options are A, the famous tragedy of the Queen of Cornwall, B, the day on which Robinson Crusoe was born, C, the day on which the native life was saved, and D, the day on which he was born. It means Friday was born. Correct answer is C, and it is the day on which the native's life was saved. Question number 8 we have, Robinson Crusoe or this novel is set in dash century. Options are 14th, 15th, 16th, and 17th. Correct answer is D, and this novel is set in 17th century. The next question we have, question number 9. Robinson Crusoe served as a slave in dash. Options are Africa, North Africa, Spain, South America. Correct answer is B, and it is North Africa. Question number 10 we have, to what does the name Zuri refer? Options are A, the African port where Robinson Crusoe is enslaved, B, the American town where Robinson Crusoe settles, C, it is the name of Friday's father, and D, the name of a slave boy. Correct answer is D, and it is the name of a slave boy. Question number 11 we have, how does Robinson Crusoe first grow grain on the island? Options are A, Friday gives him seeds, B, he throws seeds by accident when he discards corn husks, C, he salvages seeds from the Spanish rake, and D, he transplants grain from another area of the island. Correct answer is B, and it is he throws seeds by accident when he discards corn husks. Question number 12 we have, to what does the name Paul refer? Options are A, a widow, B, a pet bird, C, a servant girl, and D, a sheep. Correct answer is B, and it is a pet bird. Question number 13 we have, the mutineers on the ship that arrives had dash nationality. Options are Spanish, Indian, American, English. Correct answer is D, and it is English. Question number 14 we have, Robinson Crusoe experiences dash after drinking rum and tobacco mixture. Options are A, his love for Friday, B, his hut sets on fire, C, a religious illumination, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is a religious illumination. Question number 15 we have, Friday gets excited when he sees the cannibals captive in the boat because dash. Options are A, the captive is Friday's hated enemy, B, the captive is Friday's brother, C, the captive is Friday's father, and D, the captive is Friday's fiancé. Correct answer is C, and it is the captive is Friday's father. Question number 16 we have, Robinson Crusoe gets scared in a cave when he sees dash eyes. Options are A, a goats, B, a cannibal, C, the Spaniards, and D, none of these. Correct answer is A, and it is a goat's eyes. Question number 17 we have, Robinson Crusoe fails in his first attempt of making a canoe because dash. Options are A, the wood is rotten, B, the canoe is too fragile, C, the canoe is too heavy, and D, none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is the canoe is too heavy. Question number 18 we have, what livestock makes up Robinson's meat supply on the island? Options are A, rabbits, B, wildfowl, C, goats, and D, cows. Correct answer is C, and it is goats. The next question we have, question number 19. To what does the name Banamuki refer? Options are A, Friday's father, Friday's tribe, Friday's god, and none of these. Correct answer is C, and it is Friday's god. The next question, question number 20 we have, Robinson Crusoe's father wishes his son to be in dash profession. Options are A, medical, B, business, C, law, and D, farming. Correct answer is C, and it is law. Question number 21 we have, how does Robinson Crusoe impress the natives on the African coast? Options are A. Killing a leopard, B. Showing them his watch, C. Giving them rum, and D. Sailing the boat in circle. Correct answer is A, and it is killing a leopard. Question number 22 we have, when Robinson Crusoe departs on his second trading voyage, with whom does he leave some of his money? Options are A. A widow friend, B. His father, C. His sister, and D. A merchant. Correct answer is A, and it is a widow friend. Question number 23 we have, to what does the name Sally refer? Options are A. Robinson Crusoe's first trip, B. A North African territory, C. A weapon used by the cannibals, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and it is a North African territory. Question number 24 we have, in Europe Robinson Crusoe encounters revenues walls in dash country. Options are A. England, B. France, C. Spain, and D. Belgium. The correct answer of this question is C, and it is Spain. The next question we have, question number 25, which type of fruit does Robinson Crusoe learn how to dry? Options are A. Bananas, B. Grapes, C. Pineapples, and D. Apples. Correct answer is B, and it is grapes. Question number 26 we have, after returning to England, what does Robinson Crusoe find out about his family? Options are A. They are dead except for 2 sisters, B. They are dead except for 1 brother, C. They are not overjoyed to see him alive, and D. They have moved away from England years earlier. Correct answer is A, and it is they are dead except for 2 sisters. The next question, question number 27, Robinson Crusoe couldn't take his wife back to the island with him because dash. Options are A. She is physically challenged, B. She dies, C. He realizes that he does not love her, and D. None of these. Correct answer is B, and it is she dies. Question number 28 we have, Robinson Crusoe's friend gets angry with him because dash. Options are A. He blames him for the misfortune on the ship, B. He is angry with his own situation, C. He is upset that Robinson Crusoe left his parents under such circumstances, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C, and it is he is upset that Robinson Crusoe left his parents under such circumstances. The next question we have, question number 29, how Robinson Crusoe is put into slavery? Options are A. He volunteers in order to have a home, B. He refuses to give up his money, C. His ship is attacked pirates, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C, and it is his ship is attacked pirates. Question number 30 we have, in Brazil Robinson Crusoe lives with dash. Options are A. A relative, B. A stranger, C. Nobody, and D. A friend of the Portuguese captain. Correct answer is D, and it is a friend of the Portuguese captain. Question number 31 we have, in Brazil the money is made through dash. Options are A. Trading, B. Plantation, C. Mining, and D. Gambling. Correct answer is B, and it is plantation. Question number 32 we have, the sea can be defined as the symbol of dash. Options are A. Chaos, B. Misfortune, C. Prosperity, and D. Both A and B. Correct answer is D, and it is both A and B, that means chaos and misfortune. Question number 33 we have, Robinson believes his fate is in the hands of dash. Options are A. Himself, B. Chance, C. Providence, and D. None of these. Correct answer is C, and it is Providence. Question number 34 we have, Robinson Crusoe makes new clothes from dash. Options are A. Linen, B. Animal skin, C. Cotton, and D. Leaves. Correct answer is B, and it is animal skin. The next question, question number 35 we have, Daniel Defoe wrote Robinson Crusoe in dash. Options are 1716, 1717, 1718, 1719. Correct answer is D, and it is 1719. Question number 36 we have, Robinson Crusoe can be described as dash. Options are A. Wonderland, B. Wanderlust, C. Sedate, and D. Contented. Correct answer is B, and it is Wanderlust. Question number 37 we have, Robinson Crusoe was born in dash. Options are A. 1630, 1631, 1632, and 1633. Correct answer is C, and it is 1632. Question number 38 we have, where was Robinson Crusoe born? Options are A. Nottingham, B. Ipswich, C. York, and D. New York. Correct answer is C, and it is York. Question number 39, we have how old is Robinson Crusoe in at the beginning of chapter 1st? Options are 17, 18, 19 and 20. Correct answer is B, and it is 18. Question number 40, we have in chapter 2, where is the ship bound that Robinson Crusoe took? Options are A, Egypt, B, Brazil, C, Peru and D, Africa. Correct answer is D, and it is Africa. Question number 41, we have when Robinson Crusoe searches for his tobacco, he finds dash. Options are A map, B, a storybook, C, a Bible and D, a weapon. Correct answer is C, and it is a Bible. Question number 42, we have how does Robinson Crusoe spend the time of rainy days on the island? Options are A, teaches a parrot to talk, B, reads different books, C, makes plan for further action and D, none of these. Correct answer is A, and it is teaches a parrot to talk. Question number 43, we have which question is asked about the God by Friday? Options are A, why we cannot see the God, B, why doesn't God kill the devil, and C, both A and B and D, none of these. Correct answer is B, and it is why doesn't God kill the devil. Question number 44, we have the cross that Robinson Crusoe erects on the island serves as dash. Options are A, calendar, B, flag, C, indicator and D, none of these. Correct answer is A, and it is calendar. Question number 45, we have Daniel Defoe died on dash. Options are 22nd April 1731, 23rd April 1731, 24th April 1731 and 25th April 1731. Correct answer is C, and he died on 24th April 1731. So friends, all these are 45 multiple choice questions and their answers based on Daniel Defoe's popular novel called Robinson Crusoe. I hope friends you have understood and liked all the multiple choice questions and the answers discussed in this today's presentation. Friends, if you have really liked it, I request you to like it, share it among your friends, near and dear ones as well. Friends, if you are a new viewer to this channel, then I request you to subscribe to this channel by just pressing the subscribe button and hitting the bell icon so that you may get the notifications of uploaded such academic videos